It has its very own charger. This is Ate Boo. She's our resident assistant, and she's that girl I always go to whenever there's a problem with the internet. She thinks she's cute.
Really?
Ha! Gotcha.
You're mean.
No, I'm not mean.
I don't want to talk right now. My tongue hurts.
You don't have to talk. You just do it with your face. What does that mean? Yan, sila lagay ko to sa Friendster mo. Comment. Ate Boo is the sweetest person ever. She likes give other people food.
You're lying.
Buti alam
Makes me
mo.
wanna puke now.
Okay, puke. So I'll get it on camera.
I don't want to.
This
get
is her
the
favorite
camera.
spot. This is like
No, this is not my favorite spot.
her throne. She's always
This
here.
is not my throne.
She's like, she loves to hang out in the office where she works.
Because it's my duty.
Yeah, and she gets paid 25 an hour.
Yeah.
It's a lot of money when it's like 400 hours.
Not really.
Magkano ba yun?
Just get, 10,000 pesos din yun. Pero we don't get that much. Kasi maximum lang namin is 100.
Hours?
Yup.
So how much is that?
Let's do 5.
Oh, that's still a lot of money. So what do you do when you're here?
They're cute.
Who are they?
The mom and the daughter.
How can they be cute? They were arguing.
They were doing like this. The mom was like doing like this to the kid, to the daughter. I believe in my kid.
You're like petting her,
Yup.
but that's for dogs. It's not cute for humans.
It's cute for me.
Well, things are cute for you. Things are cute for me.
I like your camera.
I like it too. Thank you very much.
Can you give me your camera?
No.
Gift?
No, I just got it, damn it.
Since when?
It's almost
How old is your camera?
7, and
It's 6:40.
yeah, and that's like dinner.
Yep.
Yeah, and I have a visitor.
Yeah.
Who's she?
She's
Where are
an
you?
resident. She's Karine.
Hi, Kareem. What do you want? This is what she does. Debu. Oh, here's
What do
another
I
one.
do?
Here comes another one. We enter.
Excuse me po. May iniwan po ba sa akin?
She knows everyone. She doesn't even have to ask her name.
Of course, I do pet checks
That's
4
how-
times a week.
That's how old she is.
I'm not that old.
Like
And you're
33. I don't care. It's hurting my
You're
finger.
still filming.
Yes, I am. It's like running for 3 minutes.
Oh.
I wonder who's gonna watch this for like 3 minutes.
No one.
In the
No.
comment.
Only those who are so bored, they don't have anything.
I'm sure there are many.
Okay.
Bye, Kareem.
That's Sandra. She's bored.
Yeah, I'm bored. I've got to... Hey, here comes another one. Ate Andy. Like a
Ano yan?
good friend of Ate Boost and Golda.
Ay,
Say hi to the camera, guys.
para saan yan? Hi!
Comment.
Hello!
Comment.
Comment!
Comment para sa
Comment sa
Friendster.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Para
bored.
kanino?
Ate Boo. See? Smile for the last
Akala ko
time.
documentation
I
naman.
can't smile because my gums hurt and I have this sore.
You don't use your
whatever.
gums when you smile, you know.